I'm Heather Mangieri, sports and wellness dietitian and consultant to the Sports Nutrition Advisory Panel for the American Dairy Association Northeast. And this is day 4 of my Instagram takeover, and I'm back again to share a reminder and some tips to maintain healthy habits over the holidays. Today's topic is all about maintaining mindfulness. During the holidays, we are surrounded by sweets and treats and other goodies that we don't typically eat on a day-to-day basis, not only at parties we go to and in the stores, but even in our own kitchen. Now, enjoying those yummy holiday foods is all part of the celebration. You should enjoy those favorite foods that you only get a few times a year, but don't go so far off your eating schedule that you don't feel good. The way to feel fantastic and enjoy those foods is be mindful. Now, on the day of the holiday, eat all your favorites and don't even think twice about it. But on the days before the holiday and after the holiday, when they're still all around, be mindful of what and how much you're eating. One way to enjoy them without overdoing it is to keep them out of sight. If you made a batch of cookies, for example, or you have a lot of leftover sweets, put them into single-serve containers and get them out of sight. If you could freeze them, even better. That way, when you want something sweet, you can go in the freezer, grab one out, and you won't be tempted to have a second and a third. I do this with a lot of different foods, but a favorite in my house that we make often, not just around the holidays, is triple chocolate pancakes. So today I'm going to share the recipe with you, walk you through how to make them, and put a little holiday spin on it. Okay, so to make these chocolate chip pancakes, I'm going to start by putting my dry ingredients in the bowl. I have 1 cup of flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa. Okay, then to the other side, I added my wet ingredients. I have a cup of chocolate milk, a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and an egg. Now I'm just gonna stir all of that together to make my batter, and then when that's done, I'm gonna get my griddle ready. Okay, so I sprayed my griddle with cooking spray. It's warming behind me. My batter is ready. I'm gonna use a 1/3 cup measuring cup to scoop the batter so that my pancakes are all even. And then I like to sprinkle chocolate chips on the top after so that I get an even amount on each pancake. Okay, just to show you what they look like, I used a spoon to bury the chocolate chips into the pancakes, so those are cooking nicely. Not perfectly even, but you know, I'm not a pancake making expert, so they all taste the same. Okay, my triple chocolate protein pancakes are done. I put them on a festive plate, some whipped toppings, some red and green sprinkles, and I have a nice festive breakfast for the holidays. And then I took my leftovers, put them in bags. I'm gonna put these in the freezer for us to enjoy the rest of the week. Thanks for joining me on the American Dairy Association Northeast Instagram stories over this past week. If you missed any part of this series, you can check out the recap on their story highlights or head on over to their website and check out my blog post. Happy holidays, everyone.